Hi everyone, it's Lisa with InkandInspirations.com. Thanks for joining me. I just wanted to show you this tip that I had seen somewhere on YouTube. I forgot who had shown it, but I put this piece on my card when I was recording a video and I forgot to sponge around the edges here. So this is one of our palette knives that are a little pointy. It comes in sets of 3. It's really to use with embossing paste, but I just within the last 5 minutes have put this down with snail adhesive. So I'm going to try to work my way underneath this and see if I can pick it up. And yep, it works like a charm. Look at there. Now it pulled up a little of the designer paper, which it's going to be covered anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and sponge this. I just wasn't happy if it wasn't sponged. So let me take this. And I'm just going to go very lightly around the edge. It's very little, but it's very noticeable against that background of that card. Okay, I'm going to lift this up just a tad. And then I'm going to re-adhere it. That's not a word, I know. We're going to adhere it again to the front of the card. It's going to cover any of the little designer paper that I pulled up, and I'm going to be good to go. And then I'm going to be happy because my card is like I intended it to be. It would have been fine, but it does make a difference to me. So I thought I'd try that little trick with the palette knife, and it works. Not sure that it would work with every adhesive, but this time it did. Okay. So there, I've got my sponging done. Thanks so much for joining me. Try that sometimes if you need to lift up a piece of cardstock to fix an error. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.